my shoulder, holding my hand and kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here but you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know, in my book it was you and me. I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. Mama, it was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here but you're not. I wish you're gone. I still
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow.
The other side of the ocean makes me get hide my emotions. I don't want it to be over. And when midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch just a moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. I ain't even real, cause feelings how I feel. You come knocking on my heart, you come and then you go. It's high then it's low, you spin my head around, I need you so. Lost in space, you exist in another metaverse. The love you in every universe. Is it real if you out? Real if you out? When the party's over, we still dance, that's right. Only you and me, just take my hand all night. Some people say we don't make sense at all, but I only care about what you think, that's all. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. I ain't even real, cause feelings how I feel. You come knocking on my heart, you come and then you go. It's high then it's low, you spin my head around, I need you so. So much different metaverse, I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing or are you a curse? So is it real if you out? Real if you out? Lost in space, you exist in another metaverse. The love you in every universe. Is it real if you out? Real if you out?
Every day is the same like roller coaster. Back and forth, it puts me down. Floating me like I am imposter. But you don't know me, look around. I'm in nothing here to say. Stay no longer on my way. Are you afraid to stay away? Is it so hard to be so strong? Don't you want to go home? With any man you are off by. Are you
inocente, disimulas frente a la gente, un disfraz inteligente, pero puedo ver más allá. Tienes un flow elegante, brillando como diamante, una mujer tan distante, pero llevas fuego dentro de ti. Sonríes solamente un poco, tu secreto bien lo conozco. Tienes toda mi atención y ya no me puedo aguantar. ¡Bailo! ¡Bailo! Si estás lista para tomarlo, yo ando ready para darlo. Ya no hay forma de evitarlo. La única pregunta es cuándo. Sonríes solamente un poco, tu secreto bien lo conozco. Tienes toda mi atención y ya no me puedo aguantar. ¡Bailo! ¡Bailo!
Blink, blink, swish, swish. Blink, blink, swish, swish. Blink, blink, swish, swish. Blink, 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 swish, swish. Blink, blink, blink. Call me, I'm so charming. Lonely, it's not funny. Funny, I'm so shiny. Gonna be so easy, describe me. Move your feet, time to sing. If you got the rhythm, I will win. There's nothing you can win. Everybody always wants this. Blink, blink. blink, blink.